She can't go in there like that. She cannot go in there.
You get her out of here, or I'm going to get her out of here.
No, it doesn't matter. It does not matter. Okay?
Yeah, it does
I'm
matter.
human.
Hey guys, and welcome to Fade Exposure. I'm your host, Jesse. Today we're going to be discussing a situation in Masontown, Pennsylvania that involved a woman named Heidi who was simply trying to pay her fine. Heidi had an incident at a prior meeting at this office and they were not happy about it, so they tried to prevent her. And as we're going to discuss, there are several Supreme Court rulings that will apply, including Coons v. New York and City of Houston v. Hill. There are also several Pennsylvania rulings that will apply, including Commonwealth v. Mastrangelo and the definitions of what is disorderly conduct and what constitutes unreasonable noise under the statute, as well as what areas of a court facility are allowed to be recorded. Let's proceed.
Okay? We're going to be all cool. What's Fonzie?
That's yours. Okay?
What's Fonzie? What's Fonzie? Remember Fonzie from Happy Days? Hold up.
Hey, just for that, I'm going to date your daughter.
Back up. Go around. Go straight through there.
Why? I walked
Go straight through
My
there. I didn't
jacket
tell you
didn't
to
even
go
zip.
straight through or you're not going in.
Oh my God.
Ain't no my God. Don't start anything.
You're...
We're all going to
Okay.
be cool. We're all going to be cool. We're going to be little Fonzies.
If you...
Right.
I'm telling you, I've worked 16
Hold
hours
still.
and I have not slept yet. So can we
Okay,
please just stop
okay.
with your gaming so I can
But
go
I
make
don't
my
have a
payment?
game, but you raised all kind of hell in there.
Oh my God, no I didn't.
And
And this is exactly how it started last time.
Okay.
No, I did not. Please
Okay.
move so I can get in there to do what I have to do so I don't get arrested because I'm the only one working in my household right now.
Just take it easy.
Am I not taking
Okay?
it easy?
Take it easy. Okay, come
I
on
walked through to go in the
Come on
door.
through. I just want you to be clear. Okay, now come on. But you're going.
No, he's coming in with me. I'm not doing it without him.
Huh?
I am not doing it without him.
Come on. Come on through.
Come on.
Are you on her summons? Sir, are you on her summons?
So he keeps asking if the man filming is on the summons. Under the Supreme Court ruling of Richmond Newspapers Incorporated versus Virginia, it does not matter if he is on the summons or not because court proceedings are open to the public and the press.
Are you
I'm not
on
going in
her
here without
summons?
him. I am not going in here without him. He's my husband. I've been with him since I was 13 years old. I am not going in here without him. I'm not. I'm not.
Okay.
He came in here with me last time without an issue.
Okay.
Why would it
but
be
there
now?
was an issue last time.
And he's the reason why I calmed down.
They all keep referring to a prior incident that happened last time this woman was at this facility. In Coons v. New York, the Supreme Court ruled that a lower court had mistakenly derived support for its conclusion from the evidence produced at the trial that appellant's religious meetings had in the past caused some disorder. This woman's past actions should not prevent her from accessing a public area because the court went on to say that there are appropriate public remedies to protect the peace and order of the community if the appellant's speeches should resort in disorder or violence. Now, as far as I understand, this woman did not say anything obscene that was sexually suggestive. She did not say anything that posed an imminent threat of danger or threatened an imminent threat of injury. She did not try to incite imminent danger or injury. So I don't know why they're trying to prevent her, other than maybe they had their feelings hurt because this woman said something that they didn't like. But it clearly, under the Coons v. New York ruling, she was allowed to say that. And if they felt that she posed a danger, they have a constable there that could have escorted her and stayed beside her while she conducted her business, while still allowing her right of access to that area, which is what the Coons v. New York ruling is about.
I am not going in here without
I'm
him.
going to let you do that.
I am not going in here without him.
Now you have to settle down, okay?
I'm not going in here
You have
without
to settle
him.
down.
What
Before
am
you
I
go
saying
in.
that is wrong? That is
You
not
have to
settling
make her
down.
settle down.
What am I saying that's wrong that's not settling
You have to
down?
make her settle down or she's not going in.
Let's just...
Let's just come down a little bit.
Don't talk to
okay?
me. Don't. My eyes are closed. I'm not talking to you. I'm going through the door. That's it. I'm not saying another word.
She can't go in there like that. She cannot go in there like that, and I will not let her.
He is trying to prevent her from entering a magistrate's, which is where preliminary hearings are held under the Press Enterprise Company versus Superior Court. The Supreme Court found that preliminary hearings also are subject to the qualified First Amendment right of access.
That's all there is to it. Now you want to take her outside and talk to her and calm her down, and I'll let her go in.
I am
no
calm.
problem.
I have been up for over 16 hours working. I have not slept. I just got home at 8 o'clock this morning. I want to go in here and take care of what I have to take care of so I can go to Walmart and go home and go to sleep so I can wake up and be a mom. So please move so that I can do that.
You have to calm her down or she's not
I am
going
not
in.
yelling. I am not frustrated. I am not mad. I am calm. What about me does not seem calm? I am zen right now.
What's Zen?
So please let me in
What's
the door.
Zen? We're going to wait till you calm down.
I've said my piece. I am
That's
calm.
good. That's good. Then let it go. Let it go. You said.
How can I show you I'm calm? I'm standing
Get out
here
of here.
not
Get out of
talking.
here. Get out of here. You're not.
No, I'm
going.
not.
Get out of here. She can sit there all day, but she's
I am
not
paying
going
my
in
fine.
there.
I am not walking out here until I pay my fine. I am sorry. I am not.
You have to calm her down, and I'll let her go in. Okay? Just calm her down.
I am freaking calm. You are frustrating me.
Calm her down, and I'll let her go in. Okay? Take her over there so she can sit
What?
down.
How do I not look calm? I am sitting here not talking.
Tell her to go over
Do you
there.
understand what I'm saying, babe?
Calm
Do
down,
you?
and I'll let her go
I'm-
in, okay? That's all she has to do. I can't let her go in there like this. I heard about the other day.
As he continues to ignore the fact that he is the law enforcement officer tasked with keeping the peace, he instead puts that duty on the husband. He's also forgetting about the Coons v. New York ruling, if he even knows about it.
You know, just calm her down a little bit. Let her sit there. If she wants to sit there, that's fine.
We'll come back after lunch. Fuck this, dude.
Calm down. That's all.
Okay. I walked out. I'm calm. I walked out. I'm calm. Okay. Okay. I walked out and I'm calm.
Okay.
Okay. My name is Heidi Metz.
Okay, we
I'm
got
here
you.
to plead on a fine.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Go ahead in. Just get it over with. Hey, that's it. Get out of here. Get out of here. Right now. Get out of here right now. I'm going to call the police. Get out of here. You get her out of here, or I'm going to get her out of here. Get her out of here.
I need to pay
Get
my
her out
fine.
of here.
I am not leaving until I pay my fine.
I'm telling you, you're going to leave.
If I leave, I
I'm
will
telling you, you're
report
going to
this
leave.
shit.
I'm going to call the police.
I will do it.
Right now.
You got your phone? Call 911 and tell them they will
Call
not let me pay my
911 and tell
fine.
them to come here. You're done here. You're done. You're done here. Pick it up, brother. Pick it up and get her out of here. She's not paying anything. She caused trouble here the last time. Telling you what?
Call 911.
Call 911.
I need to pay my fine, and I need to set up the payment arrangements from the other day, please.
Now just settle down.
Give me the phone.
Sorry, babe, I'm not.
It ain't dialing out any damn way.
I don't feel that I should be able to come to pay my fine and be treated like this. I'm sorry, I don't.
It's the way you're acting.
I don't. I came here, I walked through the thing,
It's the way
and he told me to
you're
walk
acting.
back through. How is that right?
No, it's right.
It's just not.
Sorry. They're not going to take your money. You might as well leave. They're probably calling the police right now.
Hello?
Hi, it's 911. We received a hang-up call. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just at the magistrate's right now, and they won't let me pay my fine, and I don't know what else to do.
Okay, what's your name?
Heidi Metz?
Okay. And you said they're not letting you pay your fine?
No. I'm standing here with my card in my hand. I have my camera on right now on the ladies. The constable is standing behind me. My husband's beside me. I want to pay my fine, and they won't let me. And I need to set up payment arrangements, and they won't let me.
Okay, let me bring state police on the line. Masontown's not on, Heidi. No weapons, no injuries. It's just verbal, correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right, calm down for me, ma'am. Hold on, okay? You can talk to State County with the transfer. Go ahead, ma'am.
Hi, my name's Heidi Metz. I'm at Shimshock's office trying to pay my fine and make a payment arrangement, and they won't let me.
Okay, well,
I had everything on video. I've been recording since most of the time I walked in the door.
ma'am,
Yes.
I have troopers that are already on their way.
Thank you.
Explain that all to them when they get there.
Thank you.
Take a payment, sign paper, and we could have been the fuck out of here. That's simple. This is
I knew they were
ridiculous.
going to. I knew they
This
were
is
gonna take
ridiculous.
her money. I knew that.
This is
by the way
ridiculous.
she acted. I
This-
knew they wouldn't take her money by the way she was acting.
So then what? What happens?
Well,
then?
I don't know, but she just got.
They can't refuse my money. They're not allowed. They are not allowed to refuse my
Why
money.
are they refusing it?
You're going to have to ask them.
It don't make no goddamn
when,
sense.
When the state police get here, it's going to get sorted out, believe me.
Yeah, you're right. I have everything on camera.
It don't
Good.
make
And
no
you just
goddamn
assumed that I was
sense.
going to be an issue because of last time. That was your first mistake right there.
You started
You just
out
assumed
there.
I was going to be a problem because of last time. Why? All I want to do is pay my fine and make payment arrangements. I explained to you I've been up for over 16 hours working. I have not slept yet. All I want to do is pay my fine and make a payment arrangement so that I can go
Wasting
home
time.
and go to sleep. That is it.
It's wasting time.
Why do you
That's
not? Why?
frustrating.
Why not just do that?
Because you're looking for the last word. You're not alone in that. A lot of people do. You're looking for the last word. That's all.
So this constable seems to have a major problem with the fact that she has to get the last word in when they are disagreeing. Unfortunately for him, the First Amendment of the Constitution of the United States says Congress shall make no law respecting the establishment of religion or prohibiting free exercise thereof or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press. So the constable's statement of you have to get the last word in, that's all, as his reason for refusing her right of access is totally out of line with the Constitution.
You want me to talk to them and see if you could pay before those troopers get here? You want me to talk to them? It's up to you.
The cops are already on their way. I mean, they're going to want to talk to us anyway. So, what makes the difference? They're going to want to talk to us anyway. I mean, but we cannot waste their time or our time, and we can make this payment, sign some papers, and we can get the fuck out of your hair. It's that simple. It's not hard.
I don't know, man. I
It's
guess
not
the
hard.
coming now.
We're gonna talk to them too. Like I said, there's no point in us going anywhere because they're gonna want to talk to us anyway.
I'm gonna look you up if you do it.
That's fine.
I don't care
ain't
if you
got
look
no
me
damn
up.
warrants. I got nothing. I ain't wanted.
That's what I mean. Assume.
I'm not wanted.
Assume.
I ain't afraid of the
Dehumanize
goddamn
us.
cops.
Assume.
Not afraid of them. I'm not wanted.
It's up to you, I guess. Might as well have a seat. If you're gonna wait.
Again, I've worked 16 hours and I have not
All we
slept.
want to do is pay the fine, sign some papers, and get the hell out of here.
That ain't up to me.
Well, you sure made that
They
decision out
ain't
there,
listening
didn't
to
you?
us. They're not listening to us.
It ain't up to me. Tried several different ways to get her to settle down.
I'm
Up to
complaining
me.
because this is ridiculous. They are not letting you pay your fine or plead.
All I
on a
ask is come in and you put. That's all. So
No, everything's on video and it'll be on Facebook later, so I don't care. It doesn't matter how I acted. I'm in your facility and you should act professional.
I
It
did.
doesn't matter how I act.
I did.
Period.
I told you. I was gonna
No,
let
I
you
came
in,
in here
I
and you
let in.
automatically assumed how I was going to
Oh,
act.
it's okay. Don't
Period.
worry about it. It'll be fine.
If it was okay, you wouldn't be back here pacing right now, walking behind me trying to get the last word. So please just stop talking to me.
Hey, don't steal my stuff. Don't steal my stuff. Don't steal my stuff off me.
Just wasting time. You're gonna waste the cops' time. I'm gonna tell you that right fucking now. Cops' time's wasted. It's gonna be all pointless. All because you don't want to take a payment and let her sign some papers so we can not get a warrant for her goddamn arrest. I mean, literally, that's all we're trying to do. They're just
There
gonna
ain't
let
nothing
this.
I can do about it now.
They're gonna let this occur.
Nothing.
They don't give a shit.
Hey, don't talk to him.
What is this?
Don't talk
What
to
is
him.
this?
Don't talk to him. He's only
How
contradicting
about we just
himself.
go get her a
Don't-
fucking lawyer?
Don't talk to him.
Call her a
Don't talk to
fucking
him.
lawyer.
Don't talk to him.
Because this is fucking
I'm
ridiculous.
only human. I'm allowed to have
This is ridiculous.
a case of anxiety. I'm only human.
Call
I'm
your
allowed to
lawyer.
make mistakes. Period. Period. Like they've never overreacted. Like they've never yelled at their kids. Period. I'm only human.
Call the lawyer.
But this place, like I said, I walked into Henning's office, not a problem. Walked in every other magistrate's office, not a problem. It's only this office. Only this office. Only this. That's why I came in here with my freaking phone to record everything, because I knew. I knew. Hi, buddy. How are you?
We'll pay fine and sign some papers so we can go. That's all.
Won't leave.
Because we want to sign some papers and pay a fine so we can go. She
They
has to
won't
pay
let
her
me pay
fine.
my fine.
And we need to sign some
I
papers.
logged on Friday to pay my fine that I arranged here on Thursday, and there was a couple of them, and I didn't know which one to pay. So I figured since I was arranging my schedule anyway to come in here this morning, that I would just pay it then. So that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to pay it, and I'm here to get my payment arrangement. No, it doesn't matter. It does not matter. Okay?
Yeah, it does
I'm
matter.
human. He's human.
Exactly.
You're human. He's human, and they're both
Like
human.
I said,
We are all capable of mistakes. We all have bad judgments. We all have bad days. And there's no reason why I should have had a bad day last time and then came in here today and automatically had an assumption of how I was going to act. Everybody has bad days. Everybody. There is no reason for him to assume that I was going to have bad behavior. I'm not a child. I'm an adult, and I'm only human.
Tell it to the cops and they can just stop.
Like I said, it's all on here anyway.
Sat down out there like,
You come out here
you know what I
and
mean?
just stop.
Yeah, I sat down because I wasn't leaving, so I paid my fine to have a
Okay, so the video just abruptly ends. I checked the Facebook page where I got these two videos, and this was all that was posted. I don't know exactly what the conversation was between the officer and this couple, but I do know that she was charged with 2 different crimes, including unlawful use of an audio or video device in court, which is defined as a person commits an offense if the person in any manner, and for any purpose uses or operates a device to capture, record, transmit, or broadcast a photograph, video, motion picture, or audio of a proceeding or a person within a judicial facility or in an area adjacent to or immediately surrounding a judicial facility without the approval of the court or presiding judicial officer or except as provided by rules of the court. She was also charged with disorderly conduct, makes an unreasonable noise. So we will be looking at what the Pennsylvania Supreme Court has determined is a unreasonable noise, and it is something that is not fitting or proper in respect to the conventional standards of organized society or a legally construed community. So let's see this conversation that she had again. What's one of the more extreme moments?
I'm not going in here without
Settle
him.
down.
What am I saying that is wrong? That is not settling
Heidi.
down.
Settle down.
What am I saying that's wrong? That's not settling
You have to
down.
make her settle down or she's not going in.
Let's just.
Let's just come down a little bit.
Don't talk to me. Don't. My eyes are closed. I'm not talking to you. I'm going through the door. That's it. I'm not saying another word.
As you see, she was just merely disagreeing. She was in a heated conversation, but she wasn't screaming. She was not yelling. She wasn't, playing loud music or screeching or anything like that. That would be construed as anything other than a normal conversation given the context. Now, I would like to look at the legality of arguing with a police officer and whether or not you can be charged for that. Under the Supreme Court ruling of City of Houston versus Hill in 1987, the Supreme Court found the freedom of individuals verbally to oppose or challenge police action without thereby risking arrest is one of the principal characteristics by which we distinguish a free nation from a police state. So she was verbally challenging that constable, who is a police officer, a peace officer under Pennsylvania's own codified statutes. She was just challenging it, and yet she's been charged with a crime for doing so. Now, under Commonwealth v. Mastrangelo, Pennsylvania ruling on disorderly conduct, the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania found we now make clear that the disorderly conduct statute may not be used to punish anyone exercising a First Amendment right. Now, as we saw, she was charged with disorderly conduct, makes an unreasonable noise. The courts have went on to define this as playing loud music or having a loud party at 2 a.m, waking up your neighbors, blaring your horn going down the street early hours of the morning, things of that nature, screaming in a library, things like that serve really no legitimate purpose, and that can't be construed as just a normal conversation. Even if it is a bit heated, it is a disagreement where she is challenging police action, so of course there is going to be a level of tension that would naturally increase the volume of some people's voice. Again, I did not see any part where she is screaming. I did see him and the state trooper scream, but I did not see her. And again, pointing to that City of Houston v. Hill ruling, she did not do anything illegal as far as I can tell. Okay guys, I'd like to move on to the unlawful use of an audio or video device in court. One of the prongs is that it must be in a judicial facility or in an area adjacent to it. They were clearly in the publicly accessible lobby, and as the state defines a judicial facility, it is a courtroom, hearing room, or judicial chamber, or it has to be a facility used to conduct trials or hearings, which it was not, and there was no court-related business being conducted in the lobby, and there was no witnesses being interviewed in the lobby, and it is not an area made secure and private for an attorney to interview any witnesses or clients. And as they capture, there is a camera that is pointing down from above behind them in the lobby, and one from inside the office pointing out into the lobby. As the Office of Open Records in Pennsylvania states on their website, the records you can request are papers, letters, maps, books, tapes, photographs, films, or sound recordings, information stored or maintained electronically, and data processed or image processed documents. And as you see with this film and the number of cameras at this location, and with Pennsylvania law and the Office of Open Records admitting that those cameras would be publicly accessible documents, the right to film is established, and any reasonable expectation of privacy is removed because that is a public lobby. Again, the government is recording you, so why do they have a problem with this young lady recording them? I would like to point out that, you know, it says any person. So what you see on local news, especially in Pennsylvania, is that courthouses are open and the public areas are open for filming because, as Richmond Newspapers Incorporated versus Virginia stated, criminal trials must be open to the public unless there is evidence to support an overriding countervailing interest. And if we look at what the Supreme Court has ruled in Press Enterprise Company versus Superior Court, that qualified First Amendment right of access to criminal proceedings also applies to preliminary hearings, which would be a magistrate's office. So we have established a right of the press and a right of the people to be in this lobby, in this area. And also, if we look to the right to film, the Fields versus City of Philadelphia ruling has stated to record what there is a right for the eye to see or the ear to hear corroborates or lays aside subjective impressions for objective facts. Hence, to record is to see and hear more accurately. Recordings also facilitate discussion because of the ease in which they can be widely distributed via different forms of media. What do you guys think? I want to hear below. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and please share the video and comment below what you guys think. Did you like my analysis? Did you not like it? And is there anything that you guys feel that would help this woman that maybe I did not include? Alright guys, thanks for watching.